Bonjour my friends, or good day my friends. Yes, for those of you who don't know much about me, I am French and Australian. Lucky me, aren't I? So today I thought I would show you my just freshly completed little gel print journal. So hopefully that might give you some ideas, because gel printing is so much fun, but then we end up with a big pile of beautiful prints we don't always know what to do with. So making a gel print journal is a beautiful idea, or gel print book. So let me show you what I've done with mine. This is what it looks like. It's pretty neat. It's not perfect. Some of the pages are not all the same size, but who cares, you know? It's handmade with lots of love, and that's all that matters. So it's not huge. It's A6 size, which is, you know, roughly the size of my small hands. I have child's hands. And I'm gonna take you through it, and hopefully you'll enjoy this little tool with me. So on the cover, I've put a little bit of bling on top of one of my watercolor circles, as you can see, and put a little bit of glitter on the background. So that's pretty cool. I love the bling. And the back is a similar gel print as this one, same colors, just slightly different design. And most of the gel prints I have in there I've showed you in previous videos, so make sure to go back and have a look. All right, let's go to the first page. So as you can see, the page is open flat and nice, so it was fun to work with and decorate my gel print backgrounds afterwards. So I've used a lot of washi tape, some die cuts, some stickers, some of my watercolor circles, and here some beautiful lacy kind of washi tape. That's so cool. And some of this beautiful glitter. This is a Gina K Glitz glitter gel. It's so cool. I'll show you on another page. I've used it twice, which is this one. Let me show you how pretty that looks up close. Isn't that beautiful? Love, love, love that. So another fun page. What I've tried to do to sort of connect both pages together on one spread is I've tried to repeat some of the elements. So for instance, on this one, I've added some gold circles. On this one, I've added some glitter here and there, that sort of thing. Some fun texture paste here. Isn't she cute? This is a stamp from Wallflower, I think it's called. But don't quote me on that, I'm not sure. Love this one. Some of the pages I've kept a little bit simpler, I guess. I don't want to cover everything I've done. It's a pretty little poem there and quote. This is the glitter gel again. Oh, really, I had to put beautiful on there because it's just amazing. Okay, let's move on. An important message: turn mistakes into beauty. And beauty is very subjective, so your own beauty, it should say. So as I mentioned, all of these backgrounds have been done on my gel plate. Another important message: be the reason someone smiles today. I really hope I am this person today for you, and that I'm making you smile with my colorful art. I really do. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure that you leave me a comment to say if you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. If you're watching on my website, leave me a comment there as well. I love to hear from you. And if you'd like to show you how I made this little journal, how I put it all into one little book, then let me know. Leave me a comment and I'll do a video on that too. Really like this one. Fun. Some of them are messy, some of them are a little bit more neat. It's nice to have a bit of variety and just, you know, make it all fun, and everything comes together with elements that you repeat on the page. And also one element that was important to me to add is a very thin black border around all the pages. So if you go back, you'll see like all those pages have a thin border, black, so that sort of helps all the pages connect together and feel like a uniform little book. So there you go. Again, this is how it looks. Quite nifty, I think. I'm really pleased with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to send me some love, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.